Okay, you can check the information on this website. All these details, all these informations will be given to you in a PDF. Very big campus, very huge campus, very good exposure, very good placements. This is one good private engineering college which offers good packages, good salary packages and good exposure. Hello aspirants, I'm Ayush and I'm here again with a video for you all. I hope everybody is doing good and preparing very well. In the meanwhile, I thought that I should give you a video where I can talk about some engineering entrance exams which you can keep for a backup. Now, when I'm talking about backup, don't think that I'm trying to demotivate you or I think that you're not smart or eligible enough to clear JEE. That's why I'm giving you these tips like how to get into other entrance exams, how to get into other engineering colleges. I'm just saying that there is nothing wrong in keeping a backup. There is nothing wrong in having some backup plans when you are preparing for a very tough exam like JEE. Okay, I'm not saying that you're not well prepared or you won't be able to qualify JEE. I'm just saying that there are some more entrance exams which you should also appear for. Just in case, I'm just saying just in case, there can be many scenarios. You fell ill during the last few days, you missed the exam, or somehow the exam didn't go very well even after being very well prepared. What would you prefer? Taking a drop, giving one more year for the exam, or just entering into a good engineering college by these entrance exams, by these other engineering entrance exams, which you can spend, which you can give with similar sort of preparation which you are doing for your JEE exam already. All these exams which I'm going to talk to you about require similar sort or even less preparations, less amount of syllabus which you are preparing for JEE already. Now, why am I talking about these exams is because just to keep a backup plan. Okay, spending 1 year, wasting 1 year behind JEE, there is nothing wrong in that. If you are confident enough, go for it. But if you don't want to spend another year and you want to start your engineering right from now or right from 2025 itself, then also appear for these exams. Fill the forms of these exams also. I'm not endorsing these exams or I'm not appreciating that you should give these exams on more priority rather than JEE. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that there can be a backup plan also to keep you confident, to not waste 1 year of yours. See, 1 year is very, very important, guys. One complete year, you can do a lot of things in that complete given year other than just preparing again for JEE. Definitely, if you prepare again, you'll get into IIT, but there is nothing wrong about these colleges also. These colleges offer good salary packages. The average salary packages from these colleges are somewhere around 10 to 15 lakhs, and there are people who get packages of 50 lakhs, 1 crore, even more than that from these colleges only, which I'm going to talk about. So let's talk about some more engineering entrance exams which we can appear or which we should fill the forms for to have a backup plan. There's nothing wrong with that. What if we get a very good rank, we get a scholarship in these exams, and we get a branch of our choice which we are not getting into IITs? There can be any scenario. So please listen to this video carefully till the end so that you can get every information about the other entrance exams of engineering in India which can be given by you. Now, the very first of these exams is for the college which you might already know, which is IIIT. The exam's name is UGEEE, Undergraduate Engineering Entrance Exam. This is a very qualified exam. A lot of students do appear for this exam. So first we are going for the state level or the national level of examinations apart from JEE, IIT JEE. And very first of those is UGEEE. That is, participating institutes which are going to be there in UGEEE is first of all IIIT Hyderabad, very great college, very renowned college, and the average salary packages or even highest salary packages are somewhere even more than the top IITs. Not the top IITs, but many of the IITs. IIIT is a very, very good college. So this form also you should fill. Other than JEE form which you are already filling. Qualification, what qualification do you need for this is you should be passed in class 12th with physics, chemistry, maths. That's what you are going to be requiring for your JEE also, right? So this is the first exam. Now, how do you appear into these exams? There are 4 different channels. The very main channel, the very important channel, or the channel which you can use is the JEE main channel. the students who are appearing for JEE mains and who are qualifying JEE mains can appear for UG also, and this is the most suitable channel for you to enter into UG or into IIITs. Other channels are also there. DASA channel, for example, is for the students who are foreign nationals, who are NRIs basically. For those people, DASA quota is there. UG by entrance exam directly, of UG entrance exam you can directly give, but there you'll have to score very high. With JEE main, you'll have some priority in that case, so that you can do special admission or special chance of admission. Again, is from the entrance exam only, specifically conducted for UG Other than that, there is one more channel which is lateral entrance. Lateral entrance is for students or the people who are writing theses or pursuing some research. So there are multiple channels of entry, but the main channel which all of us can appear for or can use is the JEE main channel. So from your JEE main score, you can appear for UG or you can get admission into IIIT directly. This is one of the very good thing. So first is UG Now other things, if you want to know, the application process will start in April 2025 and final date of submitting the form will be in May 2025. The entrance exam will be from May 4 to 2025. It will start from it. The tentative dates are written over here. It's not fixed date. You can check the dates, exact dates after some time on their official websites also. But this is the current dates which we have obtained from the official website. June 2025, the round 1 declaration of result will be there. There are somewhere around 4 to 5 rounds in UG which you can appear for, and that's why the tentative date of the starting of the exam. Now the duration of the exam is 180 minutes. It's quite a normal duration which you can appear for. Proficiency test, there are two types of tests. One is subject proficiency test and research aptitude test. The pattern of the exam is quite different, but the syllabus is very much similar to our IIT JEE only. There will be negative marking. Negative marking is huge over here, is around 25%, and 100 MCQ questions are going to be asked from these two specific regions. So this is about UG which is the first exam you can prioritize or you can appear for in 2025 other than IIT JEE. Now next is MHCET, very good exam. Maharashtra State Board, Maharashtra State Government conducts this exam. The conducting body is State Common Entrance Test Cell of Maharashtra State. It's a very popular exam, especially this is suggested for the student who would not mind or who would like to go to Maharashtra. Many students from across the India do like going to Maharashtra State, and from there a lot of colleges, a lot of good colleges come under this conducting body, or a lot of good colleges take admissions through MHCET. So the admission fee, the form filling fees is somewhere around 800. Here the participating colleges is written as 124, but if universities as of now are concerned, it's more than 500 universities which take admissions through MHCET results. So this is one good exam you should give and be secure about your 2025 entrance examination. Okay, exam duration again is 3 hours. Mode of exam or mode of application is given online. Exam can be online and offline both, depending upon the choice you make. Registration logins, registration date is starting in January 2025, and I think the exam date will be somewhere in April 2025. Right, so quite contrasting. It won't collapse with your JEE or any other exam. They are very much procured, or they are very much informed about the other exams. So the dates they are going to keep in a way which will not collapse, or which will not collide, which will not collide with your other exams. So don't worry about it. Do appear for this exam if you do not mind to go to Maharashtra State, which is a very good state, and this exam will give you admission into very good Indian colleges, national level colleges, where placements are very good and the studies are very good. Qualification, if we talk about qualification, there is no problem. It requires just 45% of marks in your 12th class. So even if you are getting less marks, sometimes students are very good at JEE preparation, they have very good score in mains also, but their boards marks decrease. So that can also be one reason sometimes you are not able to get into IIT. So in that case, if your boards marks are less, then MHCET can secure your seat in a very good Indian college. Don't worry about it. Okay, so now let's move ahead. Exam 3 hours. Normal exam. Section 1 will be physics and chemistry, where 50 questions will be asked, 1 mark each. Section 2 will have mathematics, where again 50 questions will be asked, 2 marks each. And very good thing that there is no negative marking. So it's not going to be a very difficult exam. Syllabus is very much similar to your CBSE and your JEE. And the total marks will be 200 and total questions will be 150. You can see from physics, chemistry, different section, and mathematics being in different section. So total marks you are going to get is 200 in this exam. Now let's move on to the next exam, which is WBJEE. B means West Bengal. You must have understood. West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam. This is also one very popular exam, and under this exam or through this exam, very good renowned colleges of West Bengal as well as other states do take admissions. Okay, you can check the information on this website. All these details, all these informations will be given to you in a PDF form on the same video only in this channel. Now, the conducting body is West Bengal government. This is a state level of exam or state conducting body exam. Level of exam is going to be state level only. Mode of exam is going to be offline. Mode of application can be online. If you do not mind going to West Bengal, which is a very good state, again, do fill this form also. Give this exam if you can. This is a very secure and good level of exam which can get you into good engineering colleges of India, national level, reputed engineering colleges which have value. Now, the other details are as follows, that the date is yet to be announced. I could not find the date yet, but registrations will start in December. You can start filling the forms in December. Last date of registration will be February, and the rest details, admit card, change of exam, answer key, and all the details are given over here, which you can check in the PDF which will be given to you. Now let's move to the participating institutes. The participating institutes, a lot of 11 top universities do participate in this exam. Other than that, also there are many other colleges and universities, good colleges, good private colleges as well, which take admissions through WBJEE. Now, yeah, you must be thinking, sir, will there be quota for West Bengal students? Yes, obviously. NITs also keep a quota of 20% for the state students, but you know, even after having 40% of the quotas in these type of colleges, there are students who get into them, because there'll be many students who will be running towards JEE and who will forget the filling of forms of these exams, who would not pay attention at these exams. So you can be in a positive aspect over there. You can be in a, you know, better list over there, where you can be a good candidate. So do appear in this exam. Again, 45% criteria of 12th class, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biotechnology, biology, computer science. There are many applications which are mandatory. There are many subjects which are mandatory. Different subjects can be asked in this. But again, let's look at I'm not saying that different subjects will be asked in the exam, but qualifications will be from 12th class. Now, the subjects which you choose in your 12th class can be any one out of these. Okay, so this is an engineering entrance, but yeah, subjects which you choose in 12th class, there are many subjects which were not there in the other colleges. You can choose other subjects also, like biology, computer science, or science applications which are there in 12th class. Then also you will be able to give this exam. 4 hours of exam. This will be MCQ. Total questions will be 155 and total marks will be 200 for this particular exam. Now next comes NEST, National Entrance Screening Test. This is again a national level of exam, an exam which offers a good amount of scholarship for you all. The participating institutes are NISER, Bhubaneswar, UMDAE, and Mumbai colleges are there. There are renowned colleges which will be taking admissions through this particular exam. So here again you have an opportunity to fill this exam. Many students don't even recognize or don't even remember to fill the forms for these exams who are preparing for JEE. So here again, one more thing which you can do. Here also you need to be passed in class 12th in the year 23, 24 or 25. So if you are passed from 23 and in the second year or in the first year, you're still preparing for JEE and still you're not confident, or there are some scenarios which might stop you from getting into IIT, then do fill this form. There is nothing wrong with that. It's a very good exam and many good colleges do take admissions from this exam. Okay, and very high packages. I've heard that the colleges which conduct exam and take admissions from NIACR, they do offer good high packages. Very good companies do come from for placement in these colleges. So once a year this exam will happen. This is a national level exam. Languages offered will be English. Application mode will be online. Fee is also written. It's somewhere around 14. It's exactly 1400. Mode of exam will be online, which is a very good thing. Participating colleges. Participating colleges means the exam conducting colleges will be one, but yeah, the admissions will be taken by other colleges also through this exam. You can check that in the counseling or after clearing the exam. The duration will be 3 hours 30 minutes for this exam. Physics, chemistry, biology, math, these will be the sections. So especially the students who take both math and biology, there are some students who feel secure by taking both math and biology. For those students, it's a very secure exam. You can give this and score very good marks over here. Or sometimes students who are interested in biology but have not taken biology as a subject in their 12th class, I would not suggest for them that they should appear for this exam. I don't think they'll be eligible also for this exam. So these are the subjects which will be requiring for appearing in this exam. Then MCQ and MSQs. MSQs means multiple select questions will be asked. Total 68 questions and total marks will be 200. So the only reason why many students don't appear for this exam is biology, right? So especially for students who have taken both math as well as biology in their 12th class, this is a very good exam. You can go for it. I hope you know about it. If you don't know, then here you have. Now, very good thing about this exam is this, that they offer very good scholarships. They'll pay you for studying with them. Okay, if you secure overall grades are very good and above they have certain threshold. Above that, if you have secured your grades in 12th and in the entrance exam of this particular conducting body, then they will pay you or they will give you scholarship for studying in their college. So it's, private colleges can be very, very expensive. The expenses can go up to around 20-25 lakhs also in some of the engineering colleges. So it's not going to happen with this one. Very good chance. If you have the information, then it's okay. Otherwise, please note this down. Next thing which you can do is NDA. Yes, National Defense Academy. If you go to the northern region, in Shekhawati region, you will see that a lot of students do appear for NDA. Very good level of exam, especially for the students who want to or who aspire to go into armies, navy or air forces. For them, this is a very good exam, and the level is also very, very good. So for military, Indian Air Force and Indian Army or even Navy, these the qualifications for Army wing, it must be past 12th, and for Air Force, you should be past 12th with having physics and maths in your course. So that's the qualification which you are going to require. Application form is going to be filled on December 2024, and second, there are two phases for this exam. So first phase will be starting from December 24, and second phase will be starting from May 25. Exam date of first phase will be April 25 and second phase will be September 2025. UPSC conducts this exam, so you can see how good level this exam is of. It's a national level exam, and yeah, one criteria is there, not one, actually many criteria are there. Even after clearing this exam, age limit is going to be there. You can read about age limit. Past 12th mathematics and physics for from July 2 2005 to July 1 2008. If you are appearing in 2025, then your birth should be between these years. That's given over here. And apart from that, there are some more scenarios or more aspects. Height, weight, eyesight and other things are also checked after clearing NDA, after clearing the entrance exam. To get into the colleges of NDA, you'll have to pass all those criteria. So if you can read about this on the website of this of NDA, the priorities or the criteria which you physical criteria which you require to be into the college. But if you fit into those criteria, then this can be a boon for you. This can be a very, very beneficial exam for you and can give you opportunity to serve for Indian nation, being an Air Force officer or a Navy officer and a higher ranking officer, as you wish, right? So NDA is one of these exams. Sections will be mathematics and general ability. Mathematics is going to be good level. General ability means English as well as general knowledge is going to be asked in this exam. So if you think that you are good enough for this exam and you can appear in this exam, then apart from JEE, this is one exam which I would really think that can be a great opportunity for students who want to serve their nation. So mathematics 2 hours 30 minutes and general ability also 2 hours 30 minutes. Maximum marks in mathematics will be 300 and in general ability it is going to be 600 marks. Rest of the information, yes, negative marking is there. For every 2.5, 0.83 is the negative marking, and for every 4 in general ability, the negative marking is 1.33. Now let's come to some private colleges. So three private colleges I'm going to suggest in this video. First of them is SRM. SRM is Sri Rama Memorial College situated in Katankulathur, somewhere around 40 to 50 kilometers away from Chennai. Very big campus, very huge campus, very good exposure, very good placements. But yeah, definitely private colleges, so fee is going to be a little bit higher. But if you don't mind that, you can also fill the form of SRM JEE. This is one good private engineering college which offers good packages, good salary packages, and good exposure. So exam level is going to be university level 3 times in 3 phases, 2 to 3 phases. This exam is conducted. So if you miss to fill the form of SRM JEE for the first time and later you think that I should, then you can go for it later also. Languages will be English. 1200 is the fees of the form filling, and the mode of counseling is going to be online. But I think now online exams also happen for SRM JEE. 2 hours 30 minutes will be the time period of the exam. Total 5 to 6 colleges are there of SRM. I think in Manipal, in Modi Nagar, or in Chennai also there are 2-3 colleges which are of SRM only, and all are good colleges. Good placements are done over here. Last date to apply is 16 April 2025. This is all for phase 1, and for phase 2 it's 6 June 2025. I didn't get the information for phase 3 because I'm not sure that phase 3 will be conducted. From last 1 year or this year only they have started conducting the phase 3, otherwise only phase 2 are there. So for 2025 these are the last dates of applying, and the exam date will be from 20 to 27 of April in first phase and 12 to 17 of June in second phase. So right, I think 1 week or 2 weeks before, till 1 week before, you can fill the forms for this exam before the exam date. So there is no worry, there is no hurry. Result will be announced. All the other information is given. Counseling is going to be offline, for which you'll have to go to the part of the college or a place designated by the college itself. Qualification, again 12th minimum 60% you need for giving this exam. You should be qualified with 60% in your class 12. Physics, chemistry, maths should be your subject. Other than chemistry, you can have biotechnology, biology, or computer science also in your 12th class. 2 hours 30 minutes physics, chemistry, mathematics, either mathematics or biology. So both you can choose. If you are appearing for biotechnology or medical degree, then even biology will work for you. English is also going to be asked in this exam. Very less marks, but yeah, English and aptitude. Aptitude means logical reasoning or mental ability is going to be asked in this exam, which can be managed by you. Type of questions, all of them will be MCQ. Total 125 questions are going to be asked, and very good thing which you all need is no negative marking. So you can go ahead with this exam also to keep a backup plan. Next, better than SRM, I would say VIT is also one exam. VIT is also one renowned college in the southern part of India. It's situated in Vellore, and apart from Vellore, it's situated in other cities also. I think Chennai also, VIT campus is there. This is also one exam which a lot of students do appear for, and competition is going to be higher. Okay, so one good private college I would like to suggest is VIT. Here again, exam level is going to be university level. English is going to be the language. Online is going to be the mode for process, and for exam also I think online and offline both modes are there, but for counseling offline mode. For counseling definitely you'll have to go to the college if you clear or if you pass the threshold of this exam. 2 hours 30 minutes is going to be the is going to be the exam duration, and it says that there are 4 colleges which are assigned by VIT or which are under this particular institute. Now registration is going to start from November 4, 2024. I think it has started already, and last date is going to be March 31, 2025. So you have time. You can think about it if you want to fill this or not. Again, exam admit card and exam dates are also given. Between April 21 to 27 in 2025, the exam is going to be conducted. Next thing which you need to know is the subjects which are going to be asked: mathematics, physics, chemistry. Again, aptitude and English is also going to be asked, but there is no negative marking in this exam. So syllabus, again I would say that is quite similar to your current syllabus which you have for CBSE and your IIT JEE exam. 125 questions and total 125 marks are going to be there. Next comes a very renowned exam which is BITS Pilani exam, or exam to enter BITS Pilani, which is BITSAT. Apart from BITS Pilani, there are other colleges now also. BITS Goa is there, BITS Hyderabad is there, but it started with BITS Pilani, a very renowned college. I remember sometime before, the aggregate percentage which you required for entering into this to be able to appear for this examination was 80%, but now I think it's decreased to 75%, or even lesser if you go subject wise, then 60%. But yeah, the exam level is very good and a lot of competition is there for BITSAT. A lot of students appear for BITSAT. But yeah, why do they appear? Because the college is good, the placements offered are good, the studies are good, the exposure is good, right? The companies which come for the placements in this college are all renowned and good companies offering very good packages. Twice a year this exam is going to be conducted. Online is going to be the mode. See, application fee itself is 3,400. The form filling fee is itself 3,400, which is much higher than other of the private colleges or other colleges which we saw. So yeah, the expensive college, but again, if you can afford, then it's a very, very good college. Even after being able to afford, you'll have to clear the exam of this entrance exam of BITSAT, which is a good level of exam. Okay. Other things, 3 hours of exams is going to be there. There are 10 colleges which are going to participate in this particular exam. That means that colleges which are going to take admissions through BITSAT are 10 in number. So for phase 1, these are the information for phase 1. January 2025 application form will be released until April 2025. It's going to be there. For phase 2, from May 25 to June 25, the form will release in May and the last date will be June 2025. So part 1, part 2, part 3, there are going to be 3 parts: physics, chemistry, English, and there is reasoning. Obviously math is going to be there in part 4. So for reasoning also, there are 20 questions which can be asked in this particular exam. English for proficiency is required, and all multiple choice questions will be asked. 130 in number, which will be giving you 390 marks in total. So this is all about the BITSAT exam, and all the exams which I would like to suggest to you all to give other than JEE, IIT JEE are these. And one line which is written on my back is: there is nothing wrong in keeping a backup plan. It is totally wise and it is totally okay, right? Spending 1 year, if you wish to, if you're confident enough, then I would not stop you. I would even say that if you're confident enough, go for it. But if you're not confident, or if you don't feel like spending 1 more year for the engineering entrance of IIT JEE, then do appear for these exams also. Who knows, you can get a very good college and very high package, very good company. It's not that only IITians have made the history. Yes, they have, most of them have, but there are people from other colleges also. So don't worry about it. Select any one or more than one of the application forms of one of the colleges which I showed just now, or there can be many. KYPY is there, CUET is there, but these are the top ones which I would like to suggest, where you can get admissions or can appear in the exam, which have similar type of syllabus. So that's all from my side. Do not forget to subscribe for this channel. We'll keep updating with you. We'll keep updating you with such valuable information in future also. So subscribe the channel and do like the video if you found something informational here. Thank you.